Hello, my name is Victor Yopakar. Welcome to Valucop Global. It's always value first. Hello, I want to show you how to trade on Probit, how to sell off your coin on Probit. Now, let's take for example now your the coin you want to sell off is Spree. Now look at Spree now. Okay, now you choose the pair you want to sell it off as. Do you want to sell Spree as BTC or as you to get you sell Spree to get BTC or sell Spree to get USDT? So let's just say you want to sell Spree to get USDT. You go to Spree USDT and okay, network is all up. Okay, waiting for it to load. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, well, let me use Atom for example. Right, I'm still waiting for this whole thing to load up. Let's go again. Spree. Let's say you go to sell. Let me just go ahead. Yeah. Let's say you go to sell. When you get to sell, now Spree, on Probit now, it doesn't have your normal buy, your other types. It doesn't have your other types. That is your limit buy order, market buy order, and all those things. It doesn't have it on most of the tokens. So what you should do is now you use your order book. Now this is your order book. This place is your order book. This is your sell. This is your buy. So if you're selling, it means that you're going to sell to someone that is buying. If you're buying, you're going to buy from someone that is selling. So what do? You come to your sell, and then you look at the order. Since you want to sell your Spree, now look at the order here below in those are buying in the green. Look at the quantity the person is buying. Look at the price the person is buying at. Is buying. Quantity and price. Quantity and price. So you select that now. The one at the topmost is the highest buy price, which is this one. The one. So you click on it. If you click on it, automatically the price appears. The price is 3.81. The amount, the quantity person is going to sell, the buy shows, and then you see the total amount of USDT you're getting. So you click on sell. Of course, if this does not exhaust all the quantity you have, you keep on coming back. Of course, you click your 100%. This amount. This is the amount. Let's just say, for example, now you click on it, the price appears. The amount the person wants to sell appears. Then maybe you have more than this amount in your wallet. You just click on you want to sell everything. Click on 100%. Everything will appear to sell off at this price. But the person's quantity does not exhaust your own quantity. You come back to the order, to the buy wall, and keep on doing the same thing till you sell off what you have. And of course, when you put your 100% and sell, it's possible that the quantity the person has will not exhaust what you have. So what do you do? What do you do in that scenario? What you do in that scenario is you go back to, because it does not appear in your open orders. So you go back to your open orders, to your wallet, for example, go to open orders, let's just say, or to your history, open orders, and then you cancel the open order so that it can appear again. You go back, look for the spray again, and try again. Do the same thing again, do the same thing. You just keep on doing the same thing till you sell off your spray. As you can see, it does not have other types. It's almost like hot bait. So that's the simple way to sell your spray or sell your token on Probit. And that's the same thing works for buy. But if you want to go to do buy, you do the same thing. You use the sell wall, click on one of the orders there, it will appear, and then you fill up the quantity you're buying, and then you click your buy. It's very simple. And then when you want to withdraw, you go to your wallet and you simply click on the coin you want to withdraw and click withdrawal, put in the quantity, the fee, take it to the next. You put in your address, the address like where you're sending it to, and then you review your details. Then you put the authentication and you withdraw. So it's very simple, easy peasy. I hope this was clear enough. Don't forget to like this video, share this channel with someone, share this video with someone, and I look forward to making more videos for you. Thank you.